Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily, and today we're going to be going over a quick Tableau tutorial of how to get your data into Tableau. So I do have a data set that I just downloaded, and it should be in my downloads here, of Pokemon, and it gives the different stats of Pokemon. It's just a fun sample data set to work off of. So it is in an Excel format. So to upload this, I am going to go to Microsoft Excel. And then from here, I'm going to go to the file that has the data set that I'm going to be working with, and then I'm going to open it. Now, typically it shouldn't take too long, and then you should just be automatically directed into Tableau. So what I can do from here is I can go ahead and drag some of these tables in here. So I am going to, I don't want this relationship here, remove relationship. So I am just going to add in different tables. Okay, and another one. And moves. So now that we have our tables in here, we can go ahead and then start to visualize our data set in different ways. There are different, I'm going to save this real quick. All right, now that I have saved this, there are other ways that you can upload different files. So you can do it from a text file, a JSON file, PDF, spatial, statistical file, or you could connect to a server. It should be fairly easy to connect to any Salesforce instance, just because it is a Salesforce-owned product. Just know that you may need to have your data converted into one of these file types if it is not uploading correctly. But I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a like, subscribe. Please let me know if you want more Tableau videos and tutorials from me. I do teach Salesforce on LinkedIn Learning. If you're interested in learning anything about Salesforce, feel free to subscribe. But thanks again, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.